So the Geo, this is the same style. It's like when you see a trucks, they have the same exterior, but they have some different guts. This is the same thing as the Ecolo Cruise. So the Geo Golf, but now they're calling it the Geo All Season Enclosed Mobility Scooter. And I think this is kind of misleading because all season means you're going to be all season. They're really not. Lead acid batteries aren't really great. They're better at minus temperatures, but not at minus 20, 30. And to plow these things through snow, they wear. And I'm going to do another video about our demo that we've had since last year that got driven through the snow. I'm going to show how these age over time. Again, I'm not shitting on the company. It's just, you need to be educated of what's out there. You've got the Ecolo ET4 Connect. We're going to do a video on that soon. We're getting one coming in. We're going to test it and do a review on that one. So all I'm saying is that this is not an all season. The fact that they've changed it from a golf to all season, completely misleading. But if you look at these interiors, they are exactly the same as the Ecolo Cruise has. They've changed the grip here to a comfort grip. Like I said, they're still the same. They've lowered the price on them, which is cool. They should be lower price. 45 amp hour, that's the same. Tires are the same. Rear drum, that's exactly the same. What else are they saying? Dimensions, yes. Features, yeah, they're literally. But what it does, I want to know what's the wattage of this. See, they're not even telling me what the wattage is of the motor. That's important. Don't hide stuff like that. We don't need to know the details of the controller, but the wattage of the motor is super important. I just find it very interesting that they haven't listed it. So anyways, just keeping you informed and educated. And we've got a 4-seater coming in. We're going to bring in the Connect. So we've got 3 different choices of enclosed mobility scooters. So we can meet everybody's budget and needs in the very near future.